Hello everyone, welcome back to our video. I'm Dr. Madhvi Vash and a liver specialist at Bharat Homeopathy. I have profound clinical knowledge and years of experience in treating liver disease through holistic and homeopathic care. Liver disorders are increasing rapidly worldwide, especially fatty liver disease, which has become one of the most common cause of chronic liver problems today. Unfortunately, many people remain unaware of their condition until it progresses to a severe stage. So in today's video, I will share with you the most common symptoms of fatty liver disease that may signal your liver in struggling even before the condition becomes serious. Identifying these symptoms early can help you take the right steps toward the recovery and prevent liver damage from worsening. But before we go into the symptoms, let's first understand what fatty liver disease actually is. Fatty liver disease occurs when excess fat builds up in your liver cells, interfering with its normal function. It is mainly of two types. The first is alcoholic fatty liver disease. It is caused by excessive alcohol consumption. And the second is non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. It is often linked with poor diet, obesity, diabetes, and high cholesterol. If left untreated, this fat accumulation can lead to inflammation, fibrosis, and even cirrhosis in the long term. But the good news is that fatty liver is reversible if diagnosed early and managed properly. Let's discuss the common symptoms of fatty liver disease. The first is persistent fatigue and weakness. Are you feeling tired all the time? This is one of the earliest and most common symptom of fatty liver disease. When your liver becomes overloaded with fat, it struggles to detoxify your blood and regulate energy metabolism. This leads to constant tiredness, sluggishness, and a lack of motivation even when you have had proper rest. The second is discomfort or pain in the upper right abdomen. Many fatty liver patients experience a dull ache or a feeling of fullness on the right side of the upper abdomen. This happens because the liver becomes enlarged due to fat accumulation, stretching its outer capsule. If you often feel discomfort or heaviness after eating, especially fatty meals, your liver may be struggling to function properly. The fourth symptom is unexplained weight gain or difficulty losing weight. Fatty liver is often linked to insulin resistance, which makes it harder for your body to burn fat effectively. As a result, you may gain weight easily, especially around your abdomen, or find it nearly impossible to lose weight even with diet and exercise. This symptom is more common in non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. You may experience a reduced desire to eat, feel bloated after small meals, or even feel nausea. This happens because your liver's ability to process fat and secrete bile is impaired, leading to indigestion and discomfort. If you found that your appetite has dropped significantly, it could be a warning sign of a fatty liver. The fifth symptom is abdominal bloating and gas. Frequent bloating, gas formation, or indigestion can indicate that your liver and digestive system are not working efficiently. When bile production decreases, fat digestion becomes difficult, leading to fermentation in the gut and gas formation. This symptom often goes unnoticed but can be a strong indicator of liver stress. The sixth symptom is yellowish skin and eyes or jaundice. Although jaundice is more common in severe liver condition, it can also appear in advanced fatty liver disease. When the liver cannot process bilirubin properly, it accumulates in the blood, leading to yellowing of skin and eyes. If you notice the symptom, it's crucial to get your liver function test done immediately. Itching and skin irritation could also be a symptom of fatty liver disease. Many fatty liver patients report itchy skin or red patches even without an obvious rash. This happens when bile salts and toxin build up in the bloodstream due to poor liver filtration. The itching may worsen at night and may also be accompanied by dryness or irritation on your arms, legs, or back. So these were the major symptoms of fatty liver disease that you must never ignore. Remember, your liver is a regenerative organ and fatty liver can be completely reversed if tested in the time. With the right diet, lifestyle changes and holistic treatment, your liver can heal itself naturally. At Bharat Homeopathy, we have successfully treated thousands of patients suffering from fatty liver, hepatitis and liver inflammation without any side effects. Our customized homeopathic treatment focuses on improving liver detoxification, bile flow and fat metabolism, helping your liver recover naturally. If you are struggling with fatty liver or have been told your liver enzymes are high, don't wait for it to worsen. Call us, talk to us today and find the best natural and holistic treatment for your liver disease with us. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Bharat Homeopathy for more such informative health videos. Stay healthy and take care of your liver. Thanks for watching.